Just do another scan.
That's a funnel.
That's a funnel.
Maybe that's why they're going closer.
I don't believe it.
It's getting longer.
Oh, jeez.
Funnel's still there. There it is.
There it is.
Here's the funnel. There's the funnel still there. It's attempting it again. Just check if I can.
Oh yeah.
Yep, look at it go. Yes. Let's move in a bit more.
Oh, look at it. Almost to the ground.
Oh, look at that.
Get in there.
Ah, it's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Is
It's
it?
on the ground.
Yes.
It's on the
Yes.
ground, guys. We've done it again.
Yeah.
Oh, what a beauty.
On the
I can
ground.
hear the sirens. I can hear sirens.
Yeah, so it's a lightning.
Oh, what a ripper.
This is for Jeff Brislone. He wanted full
An LP
structure
cell
with
tornado.
tornado.
Oh,
Oh, God.
That will happen because there's obviously not enough moisture.
Yeah, you can actually see it.
I still think it's on the ground.
yeah, it is. I can see it on my viewfinder.
Yeah, I can see it through my lens.
I've never seen this before. I'm seeing those bolts now. You can see the